Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to name your pals and characters in Palworld. So if you press tab, that guy is very busy. If you press tab and you click on party, you're going to see my pals, right? It is Anubis, Axel, and Orsert, Fanglope, Ragnarok, and Anubis. So if you want to change your Anubis' name, for example, if I want to change my Anubis' name, just click on that pal. And as you can see here, there's level 14 Anubis, and there's an edit button by the gender or sex, right? Just click on edit. Here, change file name up to 24 characters. So let's just say, you know, Natalie, for example. There you go. Click confirm. Now, Anubis is now named Natalie. So that is how you create. And again, you can just edit it as much as you can. Go back to Anubis. And yeah, so that's how you rename or name your pals, give them nicknames and whatnot. So that's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.